Today we'll be delving into the intriguing question, how does a clean break order affect child maintenance payments? If you're going through a divorce and have children, it's crucial to understand the impact of this legal arrangement. So let's get started. Before we dive into the details, let's quickly recap two essential terms, the consent order and the clean break clauses. When couples decide to part ways, they often need to determine how their assets and their finances will be divided. While some are able to reach an agreement without external intervention, others may require mediation services or collaborative law to facilitate negotiations. Furthermore, divorcing couples with children can seek assistance from the Child Maintenance Service, or CMS, to help establish child support payments. In some cases, however, couples may find themselves in a position where they need a judge to decide on the division of assets and finances. This can lead to a financial remedy order, which can significantly increase the cost and duration of the divorce proceedings. Now let's explore the concept of a consent order. A consent order is a court order that divorcing couples can voluntarily agree to as part of their divorce process. This order includes their out-of-court arrangement on how matrimonial assets and finances will be divided. This makes the agreement legally binding. To ensure fairness, the consent order needs to be drafted by a qualified solicitor and presented to the court. The judge will review the order and approve it only if they believe it is fair to both parties. So where does child maintenance fit into all this? A consent order can include an agreement on child maintenance payments. This agreement may either be arranged by the divorcing couple themselves through a family-based arrangement or with the assistance of the Child Maintenance Service, the CMS. However, it's essential to be aware that a child maintenance arrangement stipulated in the consent order is only legally binding for 1 year. After this period, either parent can contact the CMS to arrange or enforce future child maintenance payments. To ensure clarity, let's look at an example. Suppose a consent order has been in effect for 12 months. In this case, the paying parent remains obligated to contribute to child support payments based on their gross weekly income and other relevant factors. The parent receiving the child support payments can either make an agreement directly with the paying parent or involve the Child Maintenance Service. However, if the CMS needs to intervene and collect payments, service fees are deducted, which could be better utilised for the care of the children. A clean break clause within a consent order cannot override a parent's legal obligation to provide financial support for their children. However, the clean break clause may be included in the consent order, outlining the paying parent's financial obligations until the child reaches a specific age, typically 16 years old or until 20 years old if the child is studying full-time. You can only apply for a clean break order after reaching an agreement on the division of assets and money. Furthermore, you can only apply once the divorce application has been submitted and the court has issued a conditional offer. Remember, it's crucial to seek the guidance of a solicitor to draft the consent order, including the clean break clause. Additionally, there's a court fee of £53, but financial assistance may be available for low earners or individuals receiving benefits. Even with the most amicable of divorces, it can still be worthwhile to consult with a solicitor for expert advice on how to proceed. These days, there's many online solicitors that can work out cheaper and easier than meeting in person. JustAnswer, for example, only costs £5 for a trial, which could be far less than a traditional in-person appointment. One of my colleagues used their service and saved over £270 on an outstanding parking ticket. I've linked that offer in the description. If you use that, you'll also be supporting Money Nerd. So thank you.